Hey Outdoor Chef family, welcome to Nature's Kitchen. Today, we're bringing you 10 amazing campfire meals. First pick, campfire marshmallows. Crispy outside, gooey inside, the ultimate campfire treat. 2 amazing dishes cooked on bamboo. Example, rice. Our 3 recommendations, perfect sausages and sukkuks. Subscribe to the Outdoor Chef channel and turn on notifications for the next recommendations. Our 4th recommendation, incredible and practical pastas and noodles. Our 5th recommendation, tender chicken and perfect grills. Our 6th recommendation, deliciously roasted meat varieties. Let us know which countries you're watching from in the comments. It's great to get to know you. Our 7th recommendation, healthy, must-have fire-grilled vegetables. Our 8th recommendation, fresh village eggs, incredibly delicious. Feel free to share your suggestions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Our 9th recommendation, slowly cooked seafood over the fire. What are your favorites? Do you prefer cooking or eating? Our 10th final recommendation, incredible pizzas cooked on a favorite grill and camp stove. See you in the next recipe. Goodbye and stay with us.